Vision Quest Conference and Trade Show is a premier event that assists in promoting Indigenous business, community, and economic development. We do so by providing network opportunities. We have a trade show with over 100 exhibitors. We have interactive workshops related to business, community, and economic development.
Well, over the next 3 days, delegates attending the conference are going to have the opportunity to participate in a pre-conference training session. There's also going to be 14 workshops that they could attend over the course of the next 3 days.
The organizations behind Vision Quest are 5 Indigenous organizations. Starting from the north, there's North Central Development Corporation. Coming further south is Cedar Lake Community Futures Development Corporation, Dakota Ojibwe Community Futures, Kitayan Community Futures, Southeast Community Futures.
Who should attend Vision Quest? I feel it should be community leaders, organizations, youth, entrepreneurs, anybody who is looking to start a business or expand a business. I'm not sure if they want to be in business. Vision Quest is like a one-stop shop. We try to bring in a variety of people and organizations to help people succeed in their dreams.
The conference, it's a good place to be. It's a really good environment to have fun and see wonderful things and talk to wonderful people. For the 2-3 days that I've been here, I'm overwhelmed. I've had a really good time.
It's been a tremendous experience for me at Vision Quest. It's my first one, and you know, to see how things are ran is amazing. You know, the amount of people that come and from all different parts of Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, BC, and out east. So as Indigenous peoples, we like to get out and show people that, you know, it doesn't matter where you come from or who you are, anything's possible.
I think a need for a conference like Vision Quest, the important thing that it gives is access. I think they bring in the access, and it's up to the people, the attendees, the students, the delegates. Your opportunity is there to ask the questions, is to talk to people who've been to places you're curious about. Now is the time to approach them. So to do that, you need self-confidence. You need to be able to speak clearly and leave a good impression.
Actually, I really like walking around the venues and talking to everybody I haven't seen for a while, and of course the keynote speakers are, you know, they're celebrities, they're famous to be with, but I would say just meeting all the people that I haven't seen in a while and engaging with them. That'd be my favorite part, and the food's fantastic too.
You know, a lot of Indigenous youth, they get kind of down, or they don't know what to do, or they feel like they feel kind of stuck. And with Vision Quest, having a conference like this with, you know, influencers, people who, you know, started from the bottom and then they literally pushed themselves, and now there's very successful people. It gives Indigenous hope to continue thriving.